Crypto has come a long way. Prices are higher, big companies are involved, and it feels like everyone who started early already won. So it's normal to wonder, did I miss my chance? In this video, we'll break down whether it's really too late to get into crypto and what smart beginners should focus on today. Let's get started. When you see how much Bitcoin and other major coins have grown, it's easy to feel like the opportunity has passed. But this feeling usually comes from only looking at price, not adoption. Crypto today is still early in terms of infrastructure, regulation, global awareness, and real-world use cases. Even with higher prices, the industry itself is far from finished. A better way to look at crypto is through the adoption curve. Right now, only a small percentage of the world actually uses or understands digital assets, similar to the early days of the internet. As adoption expands, new markets, new use cases, and new opportunities continue to open up. That means we're still closer to the early to mid stages of adoption, not the end. But even if the industry is early, does that automatically mean starting now is a good idea? Getting into crypto today is very different from getting in 10 years ago. Back then, it was the Wild West. Now, the space is more mature, more regulated, and more user-friendly. That means beginners today actually have advantages: better wallets, clearer regulations, safer exchanges, more educational resources, and better tools for tracking and security. Instead of guessing, newcomers now have frameworks and proven strategies to follow. But the biggest reason why it's not too late is that crypto's value doesn't come only from price, it comes from global adoption, and adoption is still accelerating. Crypto isn't just about buying coins anymore. It's expanding into areas like global transfers, stablecoins for everyday use, tokenizing real-world assets, and powering new financial systems. These are massive industries that are only beginning to tap into blockchain. So the opportunity today isn't about finding the next penny coin. It's about understanding where real value is being built. So, is it too late to get into crypto? The answer is no, it's not too late to start crypto. Most long-term crypto investors didn't win because they entered at the perfect moment. They won because they built a strategy like buying consistently, focusing on strong assets, avoiding hype, and thinking long-term. Always remember, good strategy beats perfect timing every time. And that's a wrap. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and check out more beginner-friendly guides here on Coinmama.